Hi, I'm Alex Davis, an expert in team of Generalscan technical support. Today I'll introduce how to use Generalscan's wearable Bluetooth scanner on the Windows platform. As we all know, Windows has significant compatibility issues with HID Bluetooth devices for different hardware. So how can we pair and use them correctly? Generalscan offer a perfect solution. Windows is highly compatible with devices using the legacy Bluetooth SPP, Serial Port Profile Protocol. Therefore, we connect using SPP mode and then use Generalscan's Serial to Keyboard app to cleverly convert SPP data into keyboard input. This greatly improves HID compatibility and boosts input speed, solving a major problem for users. With this method, you can scan barcodes into any text input field, just like using an external keyboard. 1. Enable Bluetooth SPP mode on the scanner. Turn on the scanner and scan the Bluetooth SPP configuration barcode. The scanner will enter Bluetooth SPP pairing mode, indicated by a slow blinking LED. 2. Pair the scanner with Windows. Open Windows Settings, Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth and click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Windows will search for Bluetooth SPP devices. When you see the Generalscan scanner, click to connect. Once connected, a pop-up will say, "Your device is ready to go." Click Confirm. 3. Locate the COM port. Click More Bluetooth options, COM ports. Note the outgoing COM port number, for example, COM24. 4. Run the COMHID app. Download and unzip the file comhidapp.zip. Open the executable file comtextv20. Select the COM port you noted earlier, for example, COM24, and click Start. When the status shows Opened, the software is running and listening for barcode data from the SPP connection. 5. Start scanning. Minimize the COMHID software. Open any text input application, for example, Notepad. Now, scan a barcode. It will appear wherever the cursor is, just like typing from a keyboard. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact Generalscan sales team or technical support engineers. We're always here to help. Thanks again and goodbye.
Generalscan. Scan mobile world, decode creative future.